Okay, I need to make a save as seal driver. Oh, what should I? Let's see. NV271. Which seal is this? Tail housing seal for drive shaft. We'll just label that for now. Save. Let's see. There's XY, right? Why is this so cattywampus? Okay. Let's do. What was the bottom? The bottom needs to be. Is this the bottom? Okay. Radius 1 is going to be my bottom. That needs to be 96 millimeters. Radius 2. Ooh, no. I got to cut that in half. 48 millimeters. That doesn't look big. Radius 2 is going to be 41. Does that look right? I guess so. And it needs to be 16 millimeters tall. Okay. Looks good so far. Let's see. Now I gotta subtract cone. So I'm at 48. What do I want? How much of a wall thickness? Oh, you know what? It needs to be. Oh, this one needs to be 80. Oh, I guess this one will need to be 82 or 41 to match the other one. And then, what's the difference? 14 minus 7 or 14. Half that is 7 for radius. So I have 96, which is 48 and a half. 40. No, 41's my bottom. That can't be right, can it? No, can't be 41. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, 34. Yeah. Apparently I don't know how to do math today. Okay. Is there other angle? What's this all about? Oh, how far around it is. Let's cancel that. I guess I should have made this taller. I can't control the taper. How tall did I want it to be? 16 millimeter, 20, so that's 36 millimeters. So let's just make this 36. 36. Okay. Put the handle on. Center from circle. We want to go to right there. Oh, what do we want? 82. Do I want this to be solid? Let's make it solid for now. Chamfer this thing. Chamfer. Okay. What am I going to? 67. I don't know if that cone is part of the taper. I bet you it is. Let's go back to 40. It sure looks like it. Okay. Oh, put the seal part on. Let's see. What did I got? 96 on the outside. 82 on the inside. Oh, I think I might have messed this up. I mean, it still works, but I did the wrong dimension somewhere. And there's my seal driver. This will rest on the seal edge. This will allow for the, I guess, like a dust cap, and this will allow for any shafts. I could make this a little smaller. Okay. File, save. And thanks for watching. Let's see if we can get the printer working now.